Radio gang, welcome back. Now let's take a look at this tinny I've been working on. This is it here. I have added the handrails in the last video, or this video, sorry. This bar here was, I didn't put in the video, but I've actually just chucked that in. In my other tinny, my kids love to grab onto the front, and they've got this little one of those little tie cleats there. They like to grab onto that, and I thought this would be a beautiful idea. I need to add one of these into my other tinny, but I thought while I'm here I'll add this in so they've got something to hold on to when they're sitting up the front. Yeah, so basically this is where I'm at with it. I've added these rails in. I need to order some rod holders, some 30-degree rod holders for there. I'm going to put a sub-level rack in the back there. That's just going to take a battery and fuel tank. It's going to be quite simple. This flooring, I'm going to put some braces through here and some other ones because I plan to sheet this with 2mm, and I'm going to put some C-deck over this whole thing. So that's my ultimate goal. I've removed the front seat. As you can see, we've filled up some holes around the joint. It's going to be a platform in the front here, possibly the same as what I did last time, was the drop-in fish bin with a drainable hatch around the inside, so it's got some dry storage. I'm even tossing up the idea of putting something through the middle with a couple of locks, like a tub of some sort that's going to go in there. That can take my oars and maybe like a yabby pump or something, longer items. They'll sit in the middle there. Up the front here, I'm just going to leave that in there because I'll probably end the casting platform here. So I've still got stuff to throw in there for storage, and then I'll bring this over and it'll come down in line with this, and then we'll have possibly another 2 hatches, 1 big hatch, don't know yet, we'll soon see. But that's the ultimate goal, guys. Yeah, so far it's going good. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll keep posting up more stuff. Legends. Cheers.